What's going on, YouTube fam? So today's video, we're going to be installing the Cascadia 4x4 VSS solar panel on our Jeep Gladiator. So this kit, you have to buy the kit. It comes with the solar panel itself, solar charge controller, a protective film for your hood, and just some hardware and zip ties. So for this install, you're going to need a heat gun, a utility knife, a spray bottle with soap and water, alcohol, blue tape, rags, and a tape measure. So first up, make sure your hood is clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and just soap it up, wash it, and start from there. So once everything is dry, go ahead and get your vinyl protector. So what I did was I used my tape measure, and from the top I measured 3.5. So make sure that you have 3.5 on this side and 3.5 on this side. So from here to this vinyl, it's 2.5. From here to here is 2.5. So that's where my vinyl is gonna go. Go ahead and use the tape to mask and mark your vinyl, and then we could go ahead and apply this vinyl on. So I marked where my protective vinyl is gonna go. So the tip of my vinyl is gonna be on top of the bottom of that tape, and then on each side it's gonna be here, then it's gonna be here. So that's the center of the hood. So let's go ahead and peel this and apply it. On the instructions, it says that it's recommended to have 2 people to apply this vinyl. It's just me here, so I'm going to attempt this by myself. Hopefully it goes good. Go ahead and take your vinyl, peel it off, spray some soap and water underneath and also onto the hood. Place your vinyl between your marks. Use your tape measure. Make sure you re-measure each side and also the top before you use your squeegee to squeegee out all the water. So make sure you be careful when you guys squeegee this, because when you do squeegee it, the vinyl tends to move. So make sure you just do one side, re-measure, always re-measure. If you see something move or each corner moves, re-measure it before you squeegee it. Alright, there you have it. I squeegeed it out, took out all the water underneath of it. Now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna grab our heat gun and then go ahead and just heat the vinyl, make sure it sticks good. Alright guys, so this is all dried up. This is on there, so that's not gonna move at all anymore. So go ahead and use your alcohol spray around the area, and you'll get your rag and clean that area off. Alright guys, next step is get your 3M adhesive promoter and wipe around the area and also onto the vinyl. Make sure you get every single spot to where it's gonna stick, and let that dry for 5 minutes. Now time to do the solar panel. So you have 3M tape all around this. Don't peel it all off, just get this corner out and set that onto the side. Now we're gonna place the solar panel where the vinyl is. Make sure the measurements are right, make sure it's even, and make sure it's in the middle. So we'll go ahead and do that. Once you peel off all the tape, go ahead and just press down around the corners. Make sure you have even pressure on all sides. Make sure that 3M tape sticks really good. Alright, so that's the hardest part of the install. So next up guys, we're gonna take the wire, put it in your hood crack, and we're gonna go ahead and use the provided zip ties and stickies to run this wire all the way up to here, and then we're gonna go ahead and hook up the solar charge controller. We're almost done. So once you finish running the wire from the panel to where you're installing your controller, you're going to hook up the red wire that says battery to the red side of your battery. You're gonna hook up your black to your minus side to the black wire of your battery, and then you have these 2 wires coming from the panel, and you just plug and play to your controller, and it also marks it plus red minus black. So go ahead and plug those in. Alright guys, so once all those are hooked up, your LED indicator should turn on. By looking at the status LEDs, we are charging and battery is normal. Go ahead and grab the wires, tidy everything up, run the wires where it looks nice, and also mount your controller. All right, there you guys have it. So we're all hooked up and mounted. So what I did was I just zip tied this onto the battery cover, so it kind of moves, but I mean, I already have my switch fuses over here, so I have nowhere else to put it. I didn't want to mount it here because I know I'm going to change this to a cold air intake. So we're all connected here. LED shows that we are charging and the battery is on normal operation. Went ahead and zip tied all the wires, make it look tight. That's how you guys install the Cascadia 4x4 VSS solar panel system. And now you have these accessory ports, so you could hook this up to a backup battery so it charges the backup battery. Alright guys, so we're all set. So that's how you install the Cascadia 4x4 VSS solar panel on the Jeep JL and JT models. And there you guys have it. So we have constant power to the Jeep. And now time to put on the accessories on it. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or any help of how to install this system, you could always message us on our email or also DM me or Abby at her Instagram. Thank you guys for watching.